And we're back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this Pokemon ball icon in Illustrator. Let us first use a white fill and a black stroke, and I've got the ellipse tool activated. I'll hold shift to have a perfect circle. And this will be our outline. Simply go to edit, copy and then paste in place. This will be the second circle. And we will repeat the process a couple of times now, because there are a lot of circles in this icon. This will be the outer black one. You can see right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Once again, edit, copy and paste in place, and we will create the white circle in the middle. We need a black circle again. Maybe like this, and a last one, which will be the center circle, the little white one. And that is everything we need for now, but there is a rectangle element in the center. Go to the center position and then hold Alt and drag a rectangle, just like this. Now select it all with the selection tool and then activate the shape builder tool. Hold Alt to get rid of these shapes, and we will connect the other ones, so don't hold Alt, just simply left click. This will be the outer black circle, and we need to connect these one. Now we need to connect the inner black circle, the first one. Then comes the white circle, and we can connect the shapes as well. Then comes the inner black circle. Oh, that was my mistake. Just press Ctrl Z if you have done a mistake, and let me connect the inner one, which is a white circle, once more. And now we're almost done. We just need to give it the original colors, and we will use the selection tool. Short key for that is V to select the different shapes, and then the eyedropper tool, short key for that is I, to give it the original color. And that's it. Obviously you can resize everything and play around with the thickness of the circles, but it's the basic process of how to create this Pokemon ball icon in Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.